delivering a tranquil, uninterrupted outlook over the Yorkeys Knob Marina, Half Moon Bay and the mountains beyond. This expansive, plantation-style property emanates a graceful charm, sublime privacy and a refined ambience. The spacious two-level layout, approximately 264 square metres under roof, encompasses multiple living spaces, a wraparound veranda and relaxing outdoor entertaining areas overlooking the refreshing inground pool and views beyond. Set on a large corner block, the property includes a level 200 square metre grassed area at the rear. With separate access, it offers potential for future development of a granny flat or additional garaging. Just a stone's throw from the marina, beach and 18-hole golf club, local shops and school, it is approximately 15 minutes from Cairns International Airport and less than 20 kilometres to Cairns CBD. With its stunning aspect and outstanding positioning, this is truly a unique and highly desirable residence.